Welcome to this quick and exciting explanation of information technology. In just 1 minute, let's break it down and explore why IT is so important in our modern world. At its core, information technology refers to the use of computers, software, and networks to process, store, and share information. It's what powers our digital age, connecting people, businesses, and devices worldwide. IT includes everything from building websites and writing code, to managing massive cloud data centers, protecting against cyber attacks, and even analyzing data for business decisions. Think about it, IT is behind your favorite apps, video calls, online shopping, and even the smart devices in your home. It makes our lives easier, faster, and more connected. The field of IT also offers countless career opportunities, from software development and network engineering to AI and machine learning. It's a dynamic, high-demand industry shaping the future. So, that's information technology in a nutshell, an essential part of our everyday lives and a gateway to endless innovation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.